seatbelt on.
I am. It's just there's shit in the way. Yeah, no radio. I don't have CDs. The only thing I would put on the radio right now is like...
When you get up to Park Shore Boulevard, you're going to want to make a left.
Classical music. That's what I would put on. But not anything else. I don't know any of the radio stations here. I don't know what's going on. I don't have any CDs. Nothing. And I refuse. Actually, I mean, no.
I think this is Park Shore.
But what do I do here?
Go left.
Oh. I'm such a stoner. It's so funny. I almost was so mean to this kid earlier. I'm not a mean person. Well, no, I used to be a mean person. No, I just didn't understand certain things yet, and I still don't understand shit. But okay, no, but I definitely understand some shit.
Okay, you're gonna look for 4145.
I'm like talking to myself.
No, you're talking to me, man. It's all good.
I'm totally talking to you, but I'm also like projecting like the way I think on a daily basis, even if you weren't here. I'm like, yeah, okay. No.
Yeah, that shit was crazy.
Turn right onto Creighton Road.
And Filipino American.
What is all this shit? I can't.
This is gonna be really easy to find, by the way.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Wait, I can't hear you talk if you put the radio on.
I know, but okay.
Because we're having a...
Wait, where am I going?
You're gonna keep going straight.
Oh.
Until you get to the 41. And then you're gonna make a right.
Okay, 41.
Yeah.
41 and make a right. Really? This takes me to 41? There's not going to be another random street?
No.
Okay. I'm like, I thought that there was another street in between this and 41. Okay. Right. Okay, and where are we going again? Walgreens? Okay.
We're gonna go get cough syrup for my mom.
Yes, I know that. But she had said to bring it to her after, but we're coming right back, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna go there before they close.
Exactly.
And then we're gonna go...
That was the whole issue.
Yeah.
That it closes.
Yeah.
I'm like, why are we doing this now again? Okay, gotcha.
Closing thing.
Back to...
Whole, like, business hour bummer thing.
Yeah.
Naples, old people.
Closing early.
Everything. 9 o'clock.
Why are there blue lights at the lights? What is that shit? Cameras, right?
Yeah, it's like police camera shit.
Yeah, but that's like some obvious ass shit.
Yeah, I think they
Like,
meant
not,
it to be obvious.
Yeah, no, but that's not even like around where I live. Like nowhere in Miami. Well, I'm sure maybe somewhere, but like no, because I drive fucking everywhere that matters down there, and this shit does not exist.
Okay, make a right here.
Or maybe
Yeah.
and if they do, they don't have fucking blue lights like that.
Okay, so check it out, homie. I need you to be all on the eyes open on the left down the road, I believe, for the Walgreens, but it might be on the right.
Left.
Yeah, but keep your eye.
What kind of advice is that?
Well,
to the left, but it might be on the right.
On the Google Maps, it says it's on the left. It is.
Fucked up.
I concede that it's totally fucked up, but it's like this. Google Maps say one thing, maybe human beings say something else.
Yeah, but I don't even live here, and you're asking me to look both ways. And there's blue lights. It's like an obstacle course that this just got hard. Because in Miami, I can drive like an asshole, and you get away with so much.
Yeah, but we don't have.
Here, I'm like, I don't want to piss off some like.
We don't have to.
Crazy ass conservative, fucking crazy person. Search her, witch.
Yeah, they do that shit down here, man. They busted me for peeing on the side, like way off the side of the road once, like 10 years ago. The dude, straight up cop, watched me from in the dark peeing behind like one of these big signs. And then just as I was finished, he gets on this fucking
Behind one of
loudspeaker
those big signs.
and he goes, "Come over
It
here."
happens. You have to pee in life.
The dude said, "Come over here," out of the dark, and I had my dick
Where am I
out.
going?
Look for the Walgreens.
You want to?
No.
You're holding a camera,
Dude,
you jerk.
Your job.
Do you realize how fucked up?
You've already violated the agreement here. I asked you to do one thing.
You're fucking recording. You're fucking useless right now to this cause because you could be helping me look for this shit, and you're making this stoner girl that doesn't even live in Florida. I mean, in Florida, in Naples.
Oh, she
In Naples.
does.
In Naples.
She lives somewhere.
Look for this shit.
She lives somewhere.
Ow.
Okay, there it is.
Wait.
Left.
Left.
There it is. See? Right
Yes.
there.
That was pretty
All right,
good.
see, look at all that panic we just had. Everybody just freaked the fuck out. She's all like, "Oh my God, we are not going to find the fucking most obvious drugstore in Florida." In Florida, at this moment in time, it's that Walgreens.
Those lights are so fucked up.
Those lights are fucked up. All right, go. You have got the right of way.
Okay.
And, yeah.
I just don't trust anyone here.
Okay, but you missed the entrance, too.
No, I didn't.
It was over there.
No, it's not. It's right here.
Right, you're right.
There's multiple entrances. You should know these things.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, maybe. No.